I think I can make a dried plant arrangement out of this. What do you think? I'll show it to you if I get it done. Well, I haven't really gotten a whole lot done this morning. I don't think my heart is in it today. But I've got some done. About this, 20-foot stretch? Maybe, yeah, 20-foot stretch. I need to do a little clipping on the top. Not sure what I want to do with this oleander, whether or not I should trim it the height of the eventual hedge or just let the oleander trees grow up, to their maximum. Haven't decided, but I will. Home maintenance is hard work. My neighbor is over there prepping his roof. Oh my God, there's always something to do. And I've got to get out here in the street and get all of these cuttings up that I also generated this morning. One thing is for sure, garden work is very gratifying. So this 20 feet, these 20 roadside feet are at least cleaned up considerably. Good. This is a mess, and clearing this out is also on the list and obviously coming soon. Now I'm gonna get myself ready to go to the dump again. So I'm just gonna pack away all the garden tools and hop in the car and be on my way. Oh, I've also got to get this container of cuttings into the car, actually. So let's get that done. Okay, we'll make it work. Like I said, we'll make it work. And the trunk, same thing. I did not use the hedge trimmer today. And I did not use the chainsaw. So I'm just going to pack them away. That's not its permanent home, but since I'm using my tools so much this week and probably next week and maybe the week after, I'm just keeping everything at the door. So this is its temporary home. Yep. Doesn't make sense packing it all away and then every day dragging it all out from some inconvenient spot. So it lives here for now. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. That's enough garden work for this Wednesday, November the 6th, 2024. What can I say? Some days I'm really hyped And most days that's the case, but today I'm a little off. I don't know. Remember the dried palm leaves I had? Well, this is their new life. They are part of my dining table top arrangement. So I've got natural, dried, and then some fake flowers in there. Not bad.